Assalamualaikum everyone! How are you? O syempre, umaga ngayon, we're gonna send my children to school. And of course, catching vitamin D from the sun. Ayan, nalabas yung usok ng lamig. O, still malamig pa rin. Ay, syempre, towards, we going towards winter. Pia! Woo! Shakib! Anzalna is there. Shamel and Shakil is there. We're off to schools. The weather is good. Have a sun. The sky is blue. Yan lang. Assalamualaikum. Jazakallah khairan. Bye.